For our real growth, total growth, all the sides of our personality should be disciplined, transmuted and sublimated. For that, we have to train our action, train our feelings and thoughts. Whatever we do, our actions should support, should aid the supreme duty of self-realization, to fulfill the self-realization. The purpose is self-realization. Yoga is really a science of life. Yoga is art of life. The inner tranquility and external ability, both should be there. Body is a vehicle for liberation. Body is a vehicle for liberation. Man has to be total in whatever he does. He should be total in doing, feeling and thinking. A man, one who lives in time, his trouble and his tension is the time. His anxiety, anguish because of time, conflicts because of time. Because he lives in the tension, or he is tensed between past and future, the two poles. He's tensed. The only enemy for him is time. Fighting with time. He wants to kill time now. He wants to spend time. He wants to pass time. But when once you discipline yourself, you can win over time. This is the success in your progress. Win over time means you can go ahead of time. You can transcend time. You can go beyond time. There is no need to go behind time. Time ceases to exist for those who wins over the time. Those who are alert. From thousands of years, we have been listening to the stories. Now it is enough. Enough is enough. Now, your story or your life should be a paragraph in the divine story of God.